This have nothing to do with last year, just a whole new year, whole new team.
We've been working extremely hard ever since November, and we've all spoke about this moment.
This year's team is focused, determined.
Best chemistry, everybody gets along. I think it's the best team I ever played on.
It feels great to be with these group of guys. Everybody here is very unselfish.
I feel like it's one of the best teams I've played on in my entire career.
We beat them here, they beat us there, so it's 1-1 right now. It's going to be an even match, but I think we got to keep them off the offensive boards, play tough defense. That's how we're going to win every game.
You know they have a lot of great scorers. You just have to match their toughness day in and day out.
Either win or go home. It's a lot more pressure. I think you just got to prepare like it's any other game.
We earned it. Nothing was given to us.
We all came here with a purpose and trying to prove something.
Just ready to go.
Chose us. Pioneer started on my corner like the cold crush. Saying live fast and die young is what they told us. The way that they mold us, perfect way they showed us. Showed me how to burn the block down before it slows up. Before the window of opportunity closes up. I came, I saw, I conquered, I'm ball. Yeah, I came, I saw, I conquered, I'm ball. Yeah. Yo, we said